How to activate EastWest Credit Card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate EastWest Credit Card online. For that, you want to open up any web browser and head over to eastwestbanker.com. Once you land on this website, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then from here, select the option of EastWest Online. Now you will have to log into your account. For that, go ahead and enter your username. Then you want to enter your password. Now tap on the login option. Once you have been successfully logged into your account, you want to navigate to the Activate Credit Card section. Then over there, you will have to enter your card number, PIN, and then tap on the Confirm option. Now verify your identity as instructed. Once you follow the on-screen prompts, your EastWest credit card will be activated. Once the credit card is activated, you will be notified via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.